Today I'm going to show you how to apply an HTV transfer to a backdrop. Now, because my Cricut only prints 13 inches wide and I'm printing on a 4-foot arch, I decided to have the business logo printed at a local DTF shop. So first I'm going to lint roll, make sure I get any hair off, and then I'm going to center my design to the arch. I typically just eyeball it at first, and then I will get my measuring stick out and make sure it is centered. So now I'm using heat-resistant tape and taping the transfer down so that it does not move whenever I go over to heat press it. So the best way I found to stretch the fabric is to lay it on my coffee table. As you can see, the image is a little larger than the coffee table, but that's okay. I'm going to now use a heat press cushion because I don't want to burn my coffee table. So I'm going to put this under the image of where I'm first going to heat press. I'm using a mini heat press, which I will link in the description. I have my mini heat press set to 285 degrees. Now I'm just going to go over this quickly and kind of like in a circular motion because you have to be very, very careful that you don't burn the fabric. This backdrop is made of spandex, so it can definitely easily burn. So now I'm going to move the cushion and I'm going to just glide over the image. This DTF transfer works best if you peel when it's cool. So I waited for it to cool down, and then I'm going to slowly pull back at a 45-degree angle. And as you can see, there are some spots that did not stick. So I'm just going to use my heat press and add a little bit more heat. Don't mind my dogs barking in the background. They're a little crazy when people walk by the house. Now I'm going to take my Teflon sheet and we're going to just do an extra press, and this will seal it onto the spandex backdrop. So now I'm just putting my arch back together and you're all done.